Vasco. 2022. I was reading a webtoon called Lookism. In Lookism, there was a character. Because of him, I started training. I learned your body will not betray your efforts. Sir, the efforts you will do, the hard work you will put in your body won't betray it. Because of that line, I started training. Started my training with just one push up every single day. That was my goal. I still remember around some couple of months later, I was able to do around 17, not in one single take. In 2 or 3 sets, I was able to do a set of 30. It was my highest. I used to think that track is around 10 kilometer or something. But recently I learned that it was still don't know how much I used to run, but now I hit 10 kilometer. I was able to relate to him. Scene where some people bully him and he tried to become stronger. That's why he trained every single day. Had the same goal to become stronger. And it happened. My body doesn't betray my efforts. When you look in sense of bodybuilding, it's not best and perfect workout routines, but it's best for something else. Train your mind. Trains your mind more than your body, and that should be your goal. Because to take back control over your life, you need to take back control over your mind. Your mind, it's in your control. You will change your life. Do you know how it will happen? Not by watching some motivational videos, by reading books, by training your mind, training your body, training even if you don't want to. Best of this workout routine is you don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need gym membership. You just need a desire in your mind that you want that thing, you want to change your life. That three exercises, push up, pull ups, and squats, are the most essential. If you do calisthenics, you know that it's on the top because those are compound exercises, means which tells your lots of muscle in one single exercise. You don't have to do different exercises for different muscles. When you do push-ups, you can train your chest, biceps in single time. That's why it's beautiful. You don't need a lot of time. People can't even think that you can build body by without going to the gym. It's possible. It's called calisthenics. Grateful for Vasco. Because of him, I have started my journey. Because beginning is the always hardest part. Because you don't see any result and you quit. If you stick with it, it's 100% guarantee. You will see results. You will see progress. Because the time is gonna pass anyway. What matter is you have done the work or not. If you done it, you will see results. You will see progress. That's it for today. If you want to talk with me on one-on-one call, check out the pin comment. Take care.